So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you have tax information saved in a CSV file and want to import it into Turbotax, here's what you need to know. Firstly, sign into Turbotax and open your tax return. Go to the section where you need to enter the information from your CSV file and look for an import, upload or connect option. Keep in mind that Turbotax does not support importing arbitrary CSV files for every type of tax information. Import options depend on the specific form or data you're entering. If Turbotax provides a supported import option, select it and choose your CSV file from your computer. Follow the prompts to map or review the important information, and finally compare the important data with your original tax documents and correct anything that doesn't match. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks if you like the video. I will see you on the next one.